Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin update today. And Bitcoin is right now trading at nearly 16,947, and as far as I'm looking at Bitcoin right now, there's a little bit of an issue because yesterday, Bitcoin was trying to break out on a Monday, so we went up to $17,400. And that actually looked to me like, hey, that's it, we're trying to break out, but unfortunately we never did actually break out. And the proof is in front of you, because that ended up being a wick up there. And that's why daily closings are so important. If you look at it on the 4-hour time frame, by the way, it becomes even way more clear to you that this was the rectangle resistance, or a horizontal resistance, a supply zone that Bitcoin really tried to push above, made a bullish closing right there. But when it went for the retest, you can see that retest failed terribly. So normally Wednesdays are some pretty good days for trading in crypto. So unfortunately, what happened here is that you came down and you made that flag, right? So you came down here, make a bear flag right there, you're breaking out of the bear flag, and you might be looking for a $16,520 is your next technical target. So what happens after this, I don't know, but one thing that I want to talk about on the daily is that now there are two patterns right here that I want you to see. And one is that you're trying to build this little bit of a curve shaped, or a little bit of a pattern going on here, and try to break out of it and then continue up to $18,300. But here's the thing, here's the main thing, that you have this symmetrical triangle or a bear pennant. Now if you extend that bear pennant like that, you can already see that you're making a break to the downside, came up one touch right there, go down, came up, second touch right here, and then you went up here, and then you made another touch right there. So basically that still is in effect, and it actually is trying to take you all the way down to $12,000. But in a matter of second, or in just a snap, if you just see Bitcoin trying to move up again and try to break these things, now this is going to be very, very obvious to me that, hey, Bitcoin is really interested to actually move to the upside. But if you're going to actually print a bear flag like this one on a 4-hour time frame and then drop to $16,500, then the chances of actually moving up is less. They're skinny. So basically, skinny chances to actually go up if you're coming down 16,500, even though on a Wednesday market are actually amazing on a Wednesday and Thursday. But let's see, altcoins are looking to break out and retest, but if Bitcoin dumps, it's going to spoil the party for everything else. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.